just finished a beautiful evening treatment here. The energy was and still is amazing. Anyway, today I want to give you my favorite recipe and to show you how aromatherapy can help your working out. So workout and energy boost aromatherapy. Essential oils can support us from helping soothe sore muscles and to boost our energy as well. It's not only amazing smells, oils, and beautiful skin treats, but it can stimulate energy pre-workout and help you relax after a challenging workout, and everything you need. So here is how to use aromatherapy for pre-workout energy and also to relax after. And I'm gonna give you also a recipe. So energy boosting oils. For energizing blend, you can use the essential oil of grapefruit, which has this subtle sweetness that gives also power metabolism boosting properties. And we add some mood lifting lemon and drops of peppermint, which is opening also our airways for maximum oxygen exchange, and it's also very refreshing scent that been proven to reduce the pain maybe of the effort while exercising, and will keep you keep going. So the recipe for pre-workout energy boost is you can take either water if you use oil diffuser, or a carrier oil like almonds, olive oil, coconut, whatever you want. Okay, so I'm gonna use 15 drops of peppermint. Sorry, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna use 14 drops of lemon, and about 10 drops of grapefruit. Now, how to use this amazing smelling blend. Oh my god, it's so good. You can put it in the oil diffuser for about 30 minutes before the workout. It will fill up the room with this divine smell. Or you can take, if you use oil, you can massage it on your body, smell it. Like you can put a little bit here, breathing deeply and let the energy flow. So this is for the boosting of your energy before. Soak after the workout. If you can, if you have a bath, soak instead of shower, and optimize for a magnesium-rich Epsom salt soak, which according to the National Academy of Science helps ease sore muscles by reducing lactic acid buildup, and also boosts the body energy production, helps eliminate toxins and fight fatigue. So these two little quick recipes can really boost your energy level and help you work out more efficiently and with amazing smells around you. Take a note: if you're pregnant or taking any medication, please advise your doctor by using the essential oils, and always take the small percentages to see if it's all good. Overall, essential oils are safe, but you're welcome to read on the blog regarding safety of essential oils and how to use them.